And good evening. That concludes the first scheduled matchups of the Chairman's Cup Philippines for the last game. Team Iloilo White edges Capiz 63-59, and now we're here with the winning coach from Team Iloilo White, Coach Paul Santome. Coach, nip and tuck game. Nakaabanse ka mo 11 digits. They responded. They trimmed it to 2. But you responded again and again, and you win the game. What did you think were the keys, and what was the difference as to why you were able to grab this crucial win?
Sa muna ang sitwasyon, dapat sa mga maging stay composed na kami, biskan matabo, biskan ups na kami or downs. Importante, white agad down, yung gascore ang kontra. Importante, may challenge lang. Mashoot ang kada, importante, balik lang depensa. Hindi man need na magid kabuan. Importante nga, aral lang kami sa tubang. Biskan nakaran sila, stay composed na kami gapon, di madulaan gana.
Okay, Coach, before we end, anyone, anything, school, family you would like to thank?
Thank you sa mga bosses namon, sa Elite Love Fam, kag kay Coach Jan.
Okay. And that ends our post-game interview with the winning coach, Coach Paul Santome from Team Iloilo White. And we're back for the Chairman's Cup Philippines post-game interview. After the winning coach, we have the best player of the game, John Heruta, posting 16 points, 5 rebounds, with a perfect field goal percentage, 5 of 5 from the field. John, what did you think did you do to dominate the paint and help Iloilo White secure the win?
Pisa na ako sa ampang kag nagbuligan lang kami sa mga upod namon. Kag sa defense nagatagit kami effort para ma-stop namon ang Kapis.
Okay. Anyone, girlfriend, kaduwa ka girlfriend that you want to thank?
Sa mga magkuda sa istansya kag think of it sa Elite Love Family kag kay Coach Ralph, think of it.
Okay, and that ends the first day of the Chairman's Cup Philippines 2026. See you tomorrow for more action. This is Liobert Gilan de la Peña, your broadcast media team.